So, this is not financial advice. I am not a professional stock trader, nor am I a financial advisor of any kind. I make no guarantees, nor do I offer any promises of any kind with the processes or information shared in this video. Okay, so this is what I was talking about on the RSI. If you look here at the bottom, see this guy here, oversold here. So what I do is I come and I let the perforated line right here sit on that point, and then I go up, look at the candle that's directly above, go to the bottom of that candle, look over, and I get 362.96. Then I go to the next point, I come up, go to the bottom, look over, I get 362.55. The price is coming down, and I'm oversold. Okay, let me see here. But what I'm trying to get across is look at the lower points. Now we got this thing is moving up, but it's at lower points. So right there is telling you it's coming up. Okay, but in the beginning right there is telling you it was coming down. All right. Now look at we're crossing the 50%. We're crossing that 50 right there, and that's the first time we're doing it right now. Okay, so we might have to go back up here. Let's look at what we got now. Okay, so you see the cross, the EMA is crossing right here on the one. Check the 15 real quick. Should be green. Okay, so looking at the 15, looks like we're going to run all the way up here as far as where the buy pressure's at. So I would say it's probably a good thing if you think it's going to go through, take that 362. I'm not telling you to take anything. I'm just telling you what I'm thinking out loud, all right? 361.93. Let me go look at the options. Options are looking like a 362 is going to be $1.46 for a call. The open interest on that call is 5,300. But I'm looking at the 362 put, and the open interest is 14,000. Okay, so this is kind of like I wouldn't want to say stalemate, but this is a watch thus far. This is not a trade. This is not a trade day for me thus far. This is a watch day. Okay, because we have sales pressure and buying pressure too close, and nothing's breaking out too far. So I don't want to get shocked or surprised, and get my pocket hit. But now look at the RSI on the bottom. We never got oversold here on the 15-minute. See that? We never got oversold. Look down there. See that? Says RSI, never oversold. We got close. Where did we get close to? This line right here, which was 360.95. See that? So let's just hang tight for a minute. Looks like they're playing games again, and it is a Monday, so it's going to be erratic, a little erratic, and we kind of gotta look at the data today. And if we don't trade, we don't trade, and that's just how it goes. Mondays are a toss-up day. Well, let's check out the 5. All right, look at the 5. We got green coming up. So you won't see that on the 15. That's that candle broken down, so you can see what's happening in that candle. So it looks like we hit this hit the 4-hour, and looks like we're going to bounce up. Now on this 5-minute chart, where is our sell pressure at? So right now we'd be concerned with sell pressure, because why? Because we look like we're going up. Okay, so let me move the pre-market back real quick. All right, we're already colored red there, so I would say right there. And remember the top and the bottom of the candle. All right, top of that run right there. Pull that over, and there is our sell pressure if it gets to it. All right, this resistance here, it's hitting the top of this, so let's see if it breaks resistance or not. Thus far, I haven't taken any trades. If I would have took that 362, I would have got out of it. Looking at all the erratic stuff going on right now. What do we got here? This is on the 5-minute, and looks like we got a buy signal right here coming up, and we're just playing around. They're playing around, so they haven't made a move yet. So that's all I'm waiting for, man. Big institutional people make the market. They move the candles, not us little buyers. All right. So we got to wait on them to make a move, man. And I don't want to give them my money. I don't know about you, but I don't want to give them mine. I give them as less as money as I can give them, and I want to take as much as theirs as I would like to. So we're just gonna continue to watch. That's all we're gonna do. So we're just playing along that line. Look at that. Just playing along that line. So okay, so right here on the 15, 360.96 is where it was oversold, or yeah, 360.96 oversold down here. Just for the, well, that's the 5. Let's go check out the 15 again. Look at that. Okay, let's check out the hour. Okay, even on the hour we're going up, so we're probably gonna go up. Check out the 4 hour. Okay, yep, looks like we're green. So if I was gonna play any position right now, I'd play a call. That's what I would get into right now. Look at that. And we're back into that buy pressure. See how quick that happens? That's why I didn't take it. Look at that. Let's see if we run through this 5 minute buy pressure there. 362.89. We're over 50% on RSI. We got green volume. Let's see what's happening on the 1. And you gotta remember on the 1, I don't really do buy and sell pressure zones. It's just it's too much. You'd have to keep changing like literally too fast, and it would get ran through or bounce off too quickly to make any moves. You want to see things coming. Okay, look at that. Let's look at the 5. So it looks like it's hitting the sell pressure zone. So let's see how far it's going to go up. At some point, it's going to have to come back up here. We just don't know when. Not saying it's going to do it right now, but you just have to watch the patterns and watch how this thing moves, man. Look at the sales pressure trying to push it down. It's trying. Don't know if it's going to be successful, but it's trying. So I'm just going to wait this out. Just going to watch and wait. We're not missing any money. As long as we're not losing money, we're not missing money, so don't worry about it. You know, if I'm not in that position, I'm not missing anything. I'm just waiting so that I can make it. Got to be patient.